I will now demonstrate you what subformats can be chosen under each format category, right here. Face-to-face format is traditionally used in education and training. It is often combined with online teaching training events that may be recorded and reused as a self-learning material. Let's click on face-to-face format. As you see, online teaching training also includes the same 9 subformats as face-to-face format. Lecture or presentation provides information and motivation for further studies. Lecture with hands-on practice will give understanding and practical skills, as well as discussions in smaller groups. Workshop, tutorial, and webinar is usually organized by tutors for a smaller group of people, say 15 to 25. And there could be special events organized as projects, teamwork, or hackathons to develop skills. Similarly, hands-on or guided projects with a guidance from experts. Summer school usually takes 1 week on-site training with lectures and practical tasks on one specific topic. Combining many related courses, a degree program can be created lasting a few years and ending with thesis or examination. Short courses take 4 to 24 hours learning without peer review assignments or support from a tutor. It is perfect for introduction. Micro-credentials include peer review assignments and take about 20 to 120 learning hours. They are built to make you an expert. And lastly, expert tracks include support from a tutor and take 100 to 150 learning hours. It is perfect for deeper learning with academic credit. Now let's go back and take distance learning. Distance learning or distance education provides asynchronous independent learning at your own pace, with more than 80 to 90% of time with tutor support and less than 10 to 20% time for special face-to-face or online group events. Distance learning is effective for a large number of people. Distance learning includes online learning or e-learning, MOOCs or massively open online courses that enable teaching several thousands of students. And I have explained the rest of these previously in this video. Let's close this and look at self-learning. Self-learning includes different materials, for example, tutorials, videos, and audios that you can study at your own pace without a support from a tutor. Let's close this. You can reset filters anytime. And thank you for watching this video.